This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both accounts so linking is smooth. Sign in to your primary Google account on a desktop browser. Make sure two-step verification is enabled so security prompts won't block actions. Once signed in, open the Google account menu and go to Settings. While you're there, have the secondary account credentials ready in a separate tab or window. This prevents repeated signouts and keeps the session authenticated. It also speeds up permission, prompts you'll approve in the next steps. Now add the secondary account and grant access where needed. Click your avatar, choose Add Another Account, and sign into the secondary account in the new tab. Once both are signed in, switch back to your primary account's Google account settings. Navigate to Security, then Third-Party Apps with Account Access, or to Data and Personalization, depending on the feature you want to link. Grant explicit permissions for Gmail delegation, Drive file sharing, or calendar access. Make sure you select the minimum access necessary. Finish by verifying that the link works and learning one quick fix. Test delegated Gmail by composing from the delegated address, open a shared Drive document, or check calendar sharing. This confirms permissions propagated. If something fails, go to Security right arrow third-party access and revoke or adjust permissions, then re-grant them. If you hit sign-in loops or permission errors, clear browser cookies or use an incognito window to sign in fresh. If problems persist, temporarily disable browser extensions and retry so you isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.